How to work with WP File Access Manager. To work with WP File Access Manager, go to Media and then File Access Manager. It can restrict by three types: restrict individual files, restrict by file types, restrict all uploads. So when you go to restrict all uploads and click on restrict all uploaded files to logged in user only and check this box and click on save settings, then all your website files can be seen by only the logged in users. Those who are not logged in can't see your website files. Let's check this out. Here I'll put the link in another browser where I'm not logged in. So now you can see you are not permitted to access this image. So every image on this website or every file on this website is restricted now, as I'm not a logged in user here. Now let's see what happens after I log into this website. Let's log in. Now you can see that all the images or the website files are loading perfectly as I am now logged in. So this is the first feature of WP Files Manager, that you can restrict all the uploads. Now even after logging in, you can disallow a few users. How to do that? You can restrict by users, user roles, WooCommerce purchases and paid membership pro levels. So let's say I'm talking about users and I want to disallow a specific user. So now I have to disallow him. Let's search that user. Now even after logging in, that user will be disallowed or restricted. Now let's see. You can see as I am using that user, so I am not permitted to visit or to see the files. So that's how you can do a lot of things with WP File Access Manager, and that's the beginning. Now the next way that you can restrict is restrict by file type. Here are JPG and then PNG and then PDF. So the type of files that is on your WordPress media will be shown here, as I have only JPG, PNG and PDFs. So these are the files that is showing on here. If you have different files, all of those will come up here as well. So let's say I want to restrict the PNG settings to a specific user role. So what I can do, I can put yes, this file type is restricted, and I need to choose from users and user roles. I need to select user roles and I need to disallow a specific user. So from allow and disallow, I need to choose disallow. So which user roles should I choose here? Let's say I want to choose subscriber. So the subscribers will be disallowed from seeing PNG file type. This is just an example, and then click on save settings. Now let's come on here. As you can see, the John here is a subscriber of this website. So when I go to home page or any page where there is a PNG file, you can see it is restricted. The JPEG or PDFs are loading, but the PNG file type is restricted. You can see this is a PNG file type which is restricted for subscribers. But if I log in with an ID which is not subscriber, let's see what happens then. So let's log out from here and log in with a different ID. Now you can see the PNG images has loaded because this ID is a customer, not a subscriber. I have disallowed only the subscribers. So everyone apart from subscribers can see those files. So you can choose any roles to protect or to restrict your WordPress files. The last and the best feature of this plugin is restricting individual files. So come to this tab, upload or select a file. Let's say I'm selecting my CV, and from the require login I need to put yes, this file is restricted. And how to restrict by. There are different types of restriction: users, user roles, WooCommerce, and paid membership pro. So let's say I select WooCommerce. So then after someone purchases a product, he or she can see this PDF. Without purchasing that product, they can't see the PDF. Okay, so from access type, I need to choose allow so that the person who is purchasing that product should be allowed to see my PDF file. And then you need to select some WooCommerce products like some of my favorite shoes. If someone buys my favorite shoes, then he or she can read my PDF. So let's save settings. Okay, so now let's copy this file's URL, and then I'm going to another browser and open it, and let's see if I can read that PDF or not. You can see the file can't be read because this ID is not a customer of those products yet. So let's buy something. Go to men, and I have selected these shoes. So let's buy a shoe. So yeah, now I have bought that shoe. Now let's see if I can read that PDF or not. You can see now I can read the PDF after I purchased that product. So only those who have purchased your product can see or read your PDF. I'm using PDF as an example. You can use any file type as you want or any media file from your WordPress dashboard. That's a brilliant feature. You can show only those files which is paid. So after someone buys something from you, you can show that file. So you can do a lot of things with this plugin. You can sell membership, you can sell anything, and then show a specific file which is only enabled for the customers or any user roles. This is a brilliant way to earn some extra money as well, that your specific file type should only be seen by your customers. So this is how WP Files Manager works. You can restrict different files or every type of file, every size of file using a lots of parameters, and every file type, every file size is possible here. Another very important and unique info about WP Files Manager is this plugin is integrated with PDF Viewer for WordPress. As you can see, it's written in the documentation that PDF Viewer for WordPress is integrated with WP Files Manager, and you can restrict the PDF files. PDF Viewer for WordPress is one of the most used PDF Viewer and Flipbook plugin on WordPress. This is over 7,000 users. So install this plugin and you can show any PDF you want. So that's it. I hope you liked WP Files Manager. Give it a try and you will find this plugin is very useful. Thanks to all.